Hello and welcome to PreCodeCamp's edition of Teen Code Camp, where your teen gets introduced to web development at the fundamental level. This camp is completed all online in a 4-week period. We start off with the basics by creating a simple personal page during week 1 of our live sessions. Week 2 is all about layout and design bias, walking your teen through a Pokémon Finder web application with a live instructor. At the end of week 2, the Pokémon project should be complete, where you are able to type in a Pokémon character and see it appear on the webpage they built. In week 3, we learn how to play audio from the browser by creating a soundboard machine. This is where they will be able to click on a button and play a custom sound or a sound that we supply as part of the kit. Week 4, we're learning about making pages more mobile-friendly by using a styling library called Bootstrap. This is where your teen will create a portfolio as their final project and present their work on the last Thursday live. If you haven't clicked the I'm ready to sign my teen up button yet, no worries. Here's more about our program. This program is only available during the summer 2024 and is for teens of the ages of 15 to 19 years old. This course has not only live instruction but video-based modules as well. The live instruction happens on Tuesdays and Thursdays in a 2-hour block. You'll have to check the schedule to see the times that are available. We limit our class sizes to 10 students per class to create a better learning atmosphere for your teens. With that said, our space is very limited and is on a first-come, first-served basis. The course is a 4-week commitment, never expecting your teen to work Friday through Sunday. On days that we are not meeting live, your teen will have about an hour of work to do through the modules of video and text-based learning. To explain that better, on Monday and Wednesday, when there is not any live instruction, the student is to review the videos and modules for that given day. It shouldn't take them more than 1 hour to complete. All students that complete the 4-week course will end up with a certificate of completion. In order for your teen to be successful in this program, they should have the following available to them. A working computer, either Windows or Apple, will work fine. Chromebooks would not be an acceptable computer. They would also need access to high-speed internet. They should have access to an email address that will serve for not only communication, but for logging into our system. If student has access to smartphone, either Android or iPhone, they would be able to download our app to receive notifications about the course. On live lesson days, it would be optimal to have a second monitor to view the instructor's code on one monitor and be writing code on the other. No need to buy an external monitor for this course. Some will even use their TV monitor as the secondary monitor. Keeping your teen's mind active during the summer is one of our many goals of this summer code camp. With adult permission, your teen will be added to their group camp social network. You as parents will be invited as well if you so decide. We hope that you see a benefit in this program for your teen and choose from one of the options available that fits your schedule. Thank you for watching and considering us to be part of your teen's summer. If you have any questions, feel free to use the contact page or call us. Our contact information is at the bottom of this page.